Hey there, YouTube. Thought I'd show you the airlock that I just made. Rather simple. You get one of these 1/2-inch barb to female connectors at a box store, and I got my vinyl tubing at North 40. You can buy it by the foot there. Probably get it at Ace or somewhere else. And then I've got a 1/2-inch close nipple in the middle, and then I've got a what is it? It's a barb to female, the same blue stuff on the bottom, but I cut off the barb and it gave me two little arms that get stuck between the top here, so I can tighten it down and cinch it down. Yeah, it's weird. It keeps alternating between foam and air, but it's working. The whole thing's filled with blueberry juice, and I just poured a bunch of sugar in it. Otherwise I'd give you a recipe.